Have you ever asked your child to do something 3 times, 5 times, maybe even 10 times? You use a calm voice at first because you really are trying. Then you repeat it, hoping this time they will finally move. A few minutes pass and nothing really changes. You feel your patience slipping, even though you did not want to yell. And then your voice gets louder. Suddenly, your child stops, looks up, and starts listening. If this happens in your home, you are not alone. This pattern is common, especially when parents are tired, rushed, or overstimulated. And it does not mean your child is bad, lazy, or trying to upset you. But it may mean your child has learned a pattern. Over time, the first request starts to feel optional. The second request feels like a reminder, not a real boundary. And the loud voice becomes the moment when your child thinks, now it matters. That does not mean your child is choosing conflict. It may simply mean the home has accidentally trained everyone to wait for intensity. So before you label it as disobedience, look for what is blocking listening. Sometimes the problem is attention. Your child may be so absorbed in a game or toy that your voice stays in the background. Sometimes the problem is distraction. A screen, noise, toys, hunger, or tiredness can all change how much they process. Sometimes the instruction is too vague. Words like behave or get ready may feel clear to adults, but not to kids. And sometimes your child is overwhelmed, not stubborn. A child who feels flooded often needs connection before cooperation. So instead of asking, "Why is my child being difficult?" ask a better question. Ask, what is getting in the way of listening right now? That question helps you choose a calmer and more useful next move. Now, let's look at what usually makes this pattern worse. Mistake 1, giving instructions from far away. If they are focused on something else, your words may never really land. Mistake 2, repeating too many times. When there is no follow-through, the first few requests lose power. Mistake 3, jumping from calm to angry. That teaches children to respond to pressure, not guidance. So what works better? Start with 3 simple shifts. First, connect before you direct. Walk closer instead of calling across the room. Use their name and wait for a small sign of attention. Get to eye level when you can, especially with younger children. Then give the instruction in a calm, clear voice. Second, make the instruction specific enough that your child knows exactly what to do. Children usually do better with action steps, not general words. Instead of behave, say, use a quiet voice. Instead of get ready, say, put on your shoes and bring your bag. Instead of stop making a mess, say, put the blocks back in the basket. The clearer the instruction, the easier it is for your child to cooperate. Third, follow through calmly. This is the part that changes the pattern. Do not repeat 10 more times and then explode. Give one clear reminder, then calmly help the next step happen. For a younger child, that may mean helping them start the task. For an older child, it may mean giving a calm next step or predictable consequence. For screen time, you might say, I asked you to turn off the tablet. If you need help stopping, I will help you now. For homework, you might say, you can begin on your own, or I can sit with you for the first 2 minutes. You are still being firm. You are just not waiting until you are furious to become effective. When children only respond to yelling, the home runs on tension. But when the signal changes, cooperation becomes easier to build. This will not work perfectly overnight, and that is okay. Your child may need time to learn that calm follow-through is the new signal. So start small, get close, get clear, and follow through calmly. Which part is hardest in your home right now? Write it in the comments and tell me the exact problem you want help with next. And subscribe for more practical parenting support.
You have everything it takes to be a calm mom.